Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use VPN in iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Using a VPN on your iPhone allows you to secure your internet connection and protect your privacy while browsing. Here's how to set it up and use a VPN on your iPhone. First, you need to download a VPN app from the App Store. There are many VPN providers available. The VPN. Tap on the VPN app on your iPhone to download and install it. Once installed, tap Open, tap Accept and Continue, tap Allow, then tap Continue. Now, tap on the Connect button or toggle switch to initiate the VPN connection. You may be prompted to allow the VPN configure your device, so tap Allow to proceed. Some VPN apps, such as this one, allows you to choose a specific server location or region. Choose the desired server location if applicable. Using VPN on iPhone. Once connected, you will see a VPN icon and the status bar at the top of your iPhone screen. It looks like a smart VPN symbol, usually a key or a padlock. To disconnect from the VPN, tap on the disconnect button or toggle switch. By following these steps, you can effectively set up and use a VPN on your iPhone to enhance your online security and privacy while browsing the internet. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.